Welcome to this short tutorial on how to open a demo account on Metatrader 4 for Android smartphones. We start on this quote screen. The first step we are going to take is to select the three horizontal lines at the left top. After this, we will select Manage Accounts and we will come to this screen. Here, we select the plus icon to add a new account. We have two options over here. We will obviously choose to open a demo account because that is the goal of this tutorial. We select Open a personal demo account, after which we will have to choose a broker. We can personally recommend any broker, but don't be afraid to look on the internet for your broker of choice. If you want to have more information on what the critical requirements are of a good broker, don't be afraid to contact your upline. I will fill in my broker of choice right here. After you have selected your broker of choice, you will need to fill in some personal information. You fill in your name, your phone number, and your email address. This should be self-explanatory. After this, we will fill in some details about the account. We select our account type, on which you select your personal currency. Then we select the leverage. We will leave this on 1 to 500 because this is the same leverage that is being used on live accounts. And then we select the amount of money we want to have on this demo account. Here we will select the minimum amount, which is 3,000. Note here that is really important when you make your trade plan to use the amount you're planning to use on your live account so you get the right expectations. If this is confusing or you want more information concerning this, don't be afraid to contact your upline. We click on Create Demo Account, and just like that, your demo account is created.